Is it okay to give a recorded statement if I've been injured? Boy, that's a great question. And my name is Eric Stevenson. I'm going to help answer that question for you today. I'm an attorney with Stevenson Klotz Injury Lawyers in Pensacola, Florida. So join me as I answer that question. So what happens after, let's say, a car wreck, right? If you're driving down 9 Mile Road in Pensacola and somebody sideswipes you and you're injured in an accident, you know, what do you do if the insurance company wants you to give a recorded statement? Well, if it's your own insurance company, you probably have to give that recorded statement. There's some contractual obligations you have with your insurance company that requires you to do that. If it's somebody else's insurance company, you don't have to give a recorded statement. And so how do you know which you need to do? Well, the first thing I would tell you is to talk to a lawyer. Most lawyers who do personal injury cases don't charge a consultation fee, so it's free for you to talk to a lawyer to get advice on your rights about whether to give a recorded statement. Also, most lawyers who represent people that are injured represent people on a contingency fee, which means they get paid a percentage of whatever's recovered. So it doesn't require you to come up with anything out of pocket up front. It's usually free for a lawyer to investigate the case, and the lawyer's going to give you advice on whether you should give a recorded statement. And the lawyer should sit with you if you do give a recorded statement to make sure that no questions are asked of you that are improper, and to make sure that your rights are protected in the recorded statement. So my advice to people always is, if an insurance company says, hey, we want you to give a recorded statement, say, hey, hold on a second, I'm talking to a lawyer. Let me find out from the lawyer whether I can give you a recorded statement. I'm not saying no right now. I'm just saying let me talk to a lawyer first. Because if it's your own insurance company, you don't want to perhaps forfeit your insurance by not cooperating with them, but you want to talk to a lawyer about that first. If it's the other insurance company, you probably don't have to give them a statement, but you want to talk to a lawyer first before you do that. And it shouldn't cost you anything to get advice about that because of the way that personal injury lawyers do their fee arrangements. So again, my name is Eric Stevenson, and I really appreciate you tuning into this video. Anytime you've got a question, give me a call. My number is 850-444-0000. We bring it to the insurance companies.